Cherish yesterday, dream of tomorrow, live for today. Hey. Hey.
How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm good.
I made a notification to your email when they sent me up that I'll be between 5 and 6.
Yes.
Belczynski.
Yeah. You on a bicycle?
Yes, I'm
Man,
doing.
in this weather.
I'm doing charity ride
Oh.
from St. Louis to Chicago.
Oh.
6 days, 5 nights. Twice a year I do something like that for part of my vacation. I take like 6 days and I do something for charity and for St. Jude's Cancer Research for Children.
Oh.
Every time we raise like a couple $1,000, so God bless to those children, because they don't get the chance to do it, I can get on a bicycle and I can cycle 400 miles, but some children, they don't get a chance to do that, and I want to make sure we help them recover.
Yeah.
Do you need ID and credit card or?
Let me see.
But I paid everything.
If you paid, then we don't need a card. All I need the ID.
Yeah, I paid in full. I made all my bookings on Black Friday, and I saved like 10 to 15% per hotel.
That's good.
You know why? Because Booking.com, they had the promotion.
Yeah.
So I was waiting because I was waiting late last week. I live in Chicago, so I was waiting last week. Like, should I make the booking early? like a week and more in advance. Then I'm like, nah. And then I waited till because I work in retail too. So I waited. We had the big Black Friday, so I waited, and that night I made all the bookings. And before, when I was checking the prices, they were all like 10 to 15% cheaper.
You by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you want to go to the king size?
Do you want to? Yeah, I booked a king size, but would it be possible to be on the first floor because I have my bicycle and everything? Sure. It would just be easier, because if I have to take it up. So yeah, today I did 60 miles today.
60 miles?
60 miles, yeah, from St. Louis.
Oh.
Directly from St. Louis. I stayed one night in St. Louis. Just to do some touristy, like touristy sightseeing, and then I started cycling this morning, 11. So about 7 hours.
Room 111.
Room 111.
That way.
This is the
Toward the end. That's a Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi password. Okay.
ABVI 218.
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Just this way, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Is there breakfast?
7 to 9.
7 to 9?
Coffee.
I just get coffee, yeah.
Donut and a cereal.
No problem. Maybe the donut sounds good for some energy. But I'm trying to not eat any sweets.
Yeah.
All right, mister. Nice to talk to you. Thank you. All right, so guys, no deposit, no check-in, no mumbo jumbo gumbo. Yeah, straightforward check-in process, man. Some guys over there in St. Louis, but I realize, here this is like they got a lot of competition here at this price or a very similar price, and guys, all these places to eat around here, gas stations. So this is quite a busy place. So I don't think they would be like fuffing around with people here, because people are just not gonna. People are not gonna fuff around. They're just gonna go across the street, pay $10 more without all the hassle, Like I paid $71.99, but the lady, at that Quality Inn says she just gave somebody out a room for $85. So $14 more. If these guys would start getting bad reviews. But I'm gonna give these guys an awesome review. Yeah, if these guys started getting bad reviews, you know, people are just gonna go, you know what? Here's your 14 bucks. I'm going across the street. Just not to deal with any of the hassles, you know. And yeah. See, guys, I kind of like these places because there's more, you know, there's more of a privacy. See now, like, I can walk in and out whenever I want without getting to the, you know, getting into the elevator, without getting into, you know, walking through doors and stuff. You know, out here you just walk out, boom, you're done. Pretty nice. See, sometimes, yeah, these places, these cheap and cheerful places are better. Look at that. Well, initial smell is good. I don't have a problem with that. Guys, I would smell right away if this was a smoking room. But yeah, this is a non-smoking room, as it says right there. Yeah, there we go. Non-smoking 111, guys, and I'm gonna give you the grand tour in just a minute. Let us as far as space for parking here. See, guys, then I get a fridge too. So, right, security. That's the thing, guys. Sometimes these places, I mean, that lady didn't have much, or had not really anything good to say about this place, but cheap and cheerful is sometimes cheap and cheerful. So yeah, I'm gonna get some privacy here, guys. So for 71 bucks, Litchfield, Illinois, guys, it's right off the main highway. Let's see if they're heating the place, or like the other place, they're cooling the place. So yeah, I'm gonna heat it up till about 66. That seems to be 66 or 67. Yeah, guys, you get 4 pillows. Guys, we're in luck. We got 4 pillows on a king size, not joined king size. What they do, I've seen that once in a while, where they will put 2 double beds together and they call it a king size. Anyways, guys, yeah, there isn't a main big light, but who needs a main big light when you've got these beautiful bedside lamps here? See, look, boom. Yeah, guys, so look at that, 71. Let me see if the fridge is on. See, that's the big tester here. Nope.